Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial, and today I am going to show you how you can download and install the Bully Scholarship Edition game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application and make sure that you are logged into your account using your username and password. After logging in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just click on the search box and then type in Bully and start your search. Once you find the Bully Scholarship Edition game, go ahead and click on it, and this will now take you into the game page. You can check out the game details as well as the review, and you will find the game edition underneath. Click on the Add to Cart button, and then click on View My Cart in order to proceed for payment. Once you click on Continue to Payment, you can now use your payment method in order to purchase this game. Just click on the drop-down menu, and then choose your desired payment method. Once you click on Continue, you can now provide your payment credentials in order to finalize your payment. If you choose PayPal, for instance, you will simply need to log into your PayPal account. After finalizing your payment, the game will now be added onto your library, from which you can begin the download and installation with just a few clicks. And now you can launch the game from your Steam application and also from your desktop shortcut. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bully Scholarship Edition game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.